Teamwork.com is the only platform with best-in-class client operations combined with easy-to-use project management that agencies love. We are constantly adding more reps and throwing more activities at the challenges that came with scaling. But we learned the hard way that doing more doesn't always mean selling more. The old playbook of more just doesn't work nowadays. Our reps were scrambling to handle the volume of leads, stay productive, and meet ever-growing quotas. And we had no visibility into pipeline. Losing that predictability can make even the best sales leader feel powerless. But it wasn't just a productivity problem. Our sales team lost sight of what got them into sales in the first place, connecting with prospects and customers. They weren't taking the time to understand prospects' problems. Instead, they just talked about our product's features. But nobody cares about what your product can do until they know you care about them. We needed a new strategy that focused on value instead of volume. That's where HubSpot came in. Since adopting Sales Hub, our productivity has skyrocketed. We're closing bigger deals and we're closing them faster. HubSpot has saved our reps more than 50% of the manual busy work that slowed them down before. And it's given sales leadership the visibility we need to scale insightfully. With HubSpot, we have the complete picture of every deal, which has enabled us to have more effective pipeline reviews and more accurate forecasts. We've ditched the broken playbook of more, and we're focusing on better. With built-in triggers and checks, we can ensure that reps are engaging in thoughtful discovery conversations and capturing every customer pain point. Now, our reps can focus on diagnosing pain points and understanding and empowering our prospects. With all the context that HubSpot provides, our reps have more relevant conversations, which has led to stronger sales of our premium products and higher attach rates of our onboarding services. HubSpot has changed the game for Teamwork sales team. It has supercharged our productivity and improved our customer connections. It's empowered our reps and our leaders alike. I can't imagine ever going back.
One thing that I think we've figured out at Writer is how to be an enterprise generative AI company. There is a speed and innovation component to being able to continuously lead the customer. As the technology changes, your product, what you're offering the customer is changing. And that's a real immense challenge. What has allowed us to be successful is that we are able to really scale because we run the company on Slack.
Writer is in hypergrowth. We're doubling the size of our entire organization. The speed of the AI industry compounded against the speed of growth that we have here at Writer is something that most people will never experience in their career.
The biggest advantage that Slack gives us in the sales process is the speed with which we can address the customer right off the bat. With every customer or prospect, we create a channel. Everybody is in these channels. If we're working on a deck for an upcoming meeting, we'll start the deck. We might get on a huddle to talk about it. We communicate all the way down to actually negotiating the contracts in Slack, paring down the amount of time it requires to close deals.
I can go to a dinner or sit next to somebody and pull up their channel in Slack on my phone and see where we are in the account and all the notes, all piped in from Salesforce into Slack. I run the entire business via Slack.
As we've evolved from 30 to 300 people, Slack's now also the place where we communicate with our partners, with our customers, and internally. It allows us to stay organized and allows everybody to know exactly what's going on at any point in time.
My team builds the automations that our customers depend on to make their lives a lot easier in their day-to-day work. So when bugs surface, we want to know about those ASAP. Having that integration where we are immediately notified allows us to develop a resolution in as little time as possible.
Slack is now my command center, so I'll know when meetings are going to start. I know where all the documentation is for a meeting that I need to get prepped for. The benefit is being able to go to one place, which is Slack.
Keeping your apps, your data, your people all in one place adds to the velocity that we're able to maintain here at Writer.
When you can shorten the time between ideation and thing, it just creates a joy with work that I think is incredible. And Slack has really been the heart of that.
Working in a modern world, we want to be using modern solutions. We expect the products that we use to be easy to understand, easy to onboard new people, and very intuitive. And that has been our experience with Ramp. I'm Ivan, and I lead the finance team here at Webflow. As a finance leader, what's important to me is easy search, visibility, and deep analysis.
Ramp has given our employees the ability to spend as they need and get their work done, but still allowing us to have the visibility that we need, and that builds mutual trust.
We're a global team, so it's really important for us to be able to issue cards to team members all over the world, and Ramp allows us to do that. One of the great things with Ramp was that we constantly had new people, not just in finance, but across all teams. And so for us, it was crucial that we work with a platform that had a very easy solution to onboard new teams, to issue cards, and do all the many things you do, but do it fast and also in the remote-first environment.
I've heard a lot of positive feedback from new team members about their experience onboarding with Ramp. They're invited to the platform, and in that same day, they get a card and they're able to start their work.
It is one of those key tools we give them that they feel like they belong to the team right off the bat. Before Ramp, we were another platform in combination with a lot of spreadsheets. With Ramp, we were able to eliminate all of the spreadsheets.
It was very difficult to code our credit card transactions. We had to manually upload them through CSVs, code them. It was quite time consuming. We've saved 75% of our time on the credit card reconciliation process.
Our job is to get things done, but we also want to get them done creatively. We want to get more time in our lives. We want to do things better. So Ramp isn't just solving corporate spend for us. It has been a product that unified a lot of the other problems and solutions that we're dealing with in finance on a day-to-day basis.
So I think one great feature about Ramp is the fact it sends us information on duplicate spend or lower cost-saving opportunities with particular vendors. It alerts us to the fact that we have two people paying for the same service, or that perhaps there'd be a lower price available elsewhere. So our team in procurement and IT can take action on those suggestions, reach out to our vendors, and hopefully lower our price. Automating recurring tasks means that my team can spend time on other areas that are more strategic and higher priority to the business than doing manual tasks.
When you're a growing business and growing company, you need to be scaling with products that can scale with you. With Ramp, we're able to see that as we evolve, the product also continues to evolve and serves the needs of a bigger company.